Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my hearts at John F. Kennedy Montessori School here in Louisville, Kentucky. Just a very fruitful day. Got to speak to the second graders through fifth today on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, treating someone like you treat your best friend, seeing them for what's on the inside, that our worth, our value is all inherent, and that we take the time to get past any judgments that we have to really see the type of person that somebody is on the inside. Just like the shirt says, one race human, that we always see people as human beings before anything else. And it warmed my heart today to hear a few girls, especially, that took it on themselves to start an anti-bullying project here at the school, writing papers on it, talking about statistics about how it can lead to bouts of depression and future traffic tickets. I mean, anything under the sun, really. But also they wrote their own bullying rap. I got to share their lyrics with me from the song. That was very touching. And just a lot of other kids, too, that just said that they're standing up for what's right, and that they start to understand that these hurtful things that bullies have told them, that they understand that those people are just hurting themselves. You know, they're actually hurting inside, and you can start to develop some empathy, some compassion, some sympathy towards them, and start to treat them like we want to be treated, but kind of be the bigger person, rise above the hate, and show that love, show the nonviolence that all of us can do. The peace sign, that it's something where we can truly uplift somebody higher than ourselves. If we choose to do that, it only takes a couple seconds. You guys touch my heart. You guys are etched in my heart forever. I hope to see you guys again soon. Never forget, like the M on all of our poems, that we're all miracles, upside down W for worthy, that we never forget that we are worth everything, and we treat people like that. Be the light to their hearts. Give them hope, help with healing this planet's collective heart. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Much love. Keep spreading the joy. Peace.